Today I'm taking a quick look at something a little different. I've got an Armani Exchange bracelet and watch set that comes in this elegant AX box. I'm going to start with the watch, and I can instantly see this piece has some size. It's stainless steel too and comes in an all black ion plating. There's a really nice mix of brushed steel and intriguing texture on this dial, and what I'd describe as an urban chic. That same style is echoed in the Armani Exchange bracelet, which places a brushed steel plaque on a sleek leather cuff. Now, the watch itself is a quartz movement, which is going to be very reliable for casual wear. There's no need to wind, and the date window at the 3 o'clock position is a very handy addition. The steel bracelet on the watch also has a smooth feel on the wrist, so they're both going to be very comfortable daily wears. The real selling point for this watch, however, is going to be that dial. Love the grid texture and steel accents, and for me there's enough detailing to justify the size. This set is made to go together. You can wear this leather bracelet on the other wrist or wear it together with the watch. Either is great. This is definitely a top option for gift giving. The bracelet has a nice quality to it and is a good way to rep Armani Exchange if you're a fan of their designs. This box set is available now on watchdepot.com.au if you're looking for a gift or a way to boost your accessory collection. Thanks for watching.